Yo, what's up guys? Today is my day 3 in trading using the Prof Film free trial, and yesterday I took so many trades. Look at this, so many wins, so many loss. I really don't have a strategy. I'm so bad. And then this one today, look at this. So many losses in US oil cash. I can't remember the trades that I take, but I take 8 trades. But the thing is, it's bad because I don't remember the trades I take. Usually, I always mark it up and show it to you guys, but now I'm very undisciplined, not disciplined. So maybe tomorrow I will be disciplined and I will have a trading plan using this. So I lost a lot today with $783 in this free trial, but and I only have uh, 11 days to go before I pass this. So uh, I will be disciplined. I will have a trading plan. So thank you guys.